By the way bro, may special feature pala tayo. Pakihila mo nga to. Okay, hilay mo. Uy! Actually, protected yan. So guys, may nakita na ako. Sir, good afternoon. Yeah. Sir, by the way, I'm Pao. And ngayon, gusto ko lang sana mag-interview about the worst gift na na-receive mo ever.
Siguro yung barkada ko. Binigyan niya ako ng brief. Malinis naman.
Malinis yung brief.
Probably napkins.
Napkin?
Yeah, like toiletries.
Okay.
Don't think you would give someone that.
I think oversized shirt kasi I'm slim and parang I'm into more fitting shirts.
More fit.
Yes po.
Since bata po ako, hanap ko laruan of course. So, bigay po sa akin ng Christmas party, Bimpo. So, hindi po ako natuwa doon. Ayaw niya na Bimpo. If ever you are going to receive this bag as a gift, would you think it would be a better one than the brief?
O syempre naman.
I think it's great. Yeah, it looks nice.
Yes po, kasi parang maraming malagyan.
Yes, actually, for me po kasi, always a good gift po ang bag kasi magagamit ko siya sa kahit saan. How would you rate it from 1 to 10?
Siguro 10 naman. Kasi it looks clean, marami siyang pockets, tapos mukhang light naman siya.
9.5.
9. Pwede siya for the mountain or hiking.
By the way bro, may special feature pala tayo. Pakihila mo nga to. Okay, hilay mo. Uy! Actually, protected yan. So, yun yung special feature natin. How would you rate this bag from 1 to 10?
So far, no complaints naman sa bags. Okay naman po yung itsura, okay naman po yung size. So, I say 10 out of 10.
10 over 10.